Hi, today we're going to start with ordering the numbers from least to greatest. So let's try number 1. Number 1, we have 3 numbers, 5, 2, and 6. So when we count, we say 1, 2. So 2, and then 3 for 5, and then 6. So 6 is the biggest number. Now let's try number 4. We have 100, 67, and 46. We know that 46 is the smallest because here it's 46. It starts with a 4. And then it starts with a 6, so it's bigger. And then we have 100, and this is the biggest number because it has 3 digits. Now let's try number 6. We have 134, 143, and 128. They start with the same number, so they all start with 1, and they have the same number of digits. So we have to look at the middle number. So here it's 3, and 4, and 2. And we know that 2 is the smallest number, so it's 128, and then 134, and then lastly 143. Now let's move on to the next page. Using a graph, look at the bar graph and answer the questions below. Okay, let's try number 1. Which fruit is the favorite of most people? So we can tell that apple is the favorite of most people because it has the most votes here. So it's apples. Now, how many people like apples the most? And we just have to look at this number. So it's 8. So it's 8. And then let's try number 6. Which fruit is the least liked? And when we look at it, we know that the oranges are the second, pears are third, so plums are our least favorite. Okay, let's try number 4. How many more people like pears than plums? So for that, we have to do 4. Because when we look at it, here it's 4. So 4 minus 4 minus, and then plums. Here, it's 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 more people liked pears than plums. Okay, now let's try the next page. Expanded form to number. Write the number of the expanded form. So 5 tens and 3 ones. So 5 tens. So when we have tens, that means that we have 10 dots. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And ones, that means we have 1. So 5 tens and 3 ones. That means that we have 5 of these and 3 of these. So we're going to have 53. Okay, now let's try number 2. 9 tens and 6 ones. 9 tens. So if we have 9 of these, we're going to have 90. And then 6 of these. So we're going to have 5 more. And we're going to have 96. Okay. Now let's try number 9. It says 4 tens. So we're just going to have 4 of these. So it's going to be 40. Okay, now let's try the word problems. Okay, let's try number 1. Cassie puts her stickers into 5 bags of 10 and has 3 extra stickers. How many stickers does Cassie have? Okay, so she has 5 bags of 10s. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She has 5 of these. Okay. And then she has 3 extra stickers. So we're going to add So if we have 5 of these, we're gonna have, that means we have 50, okay? And then we have to add 3 more because she has 3 extra stickers. So that's gonna be 53. So how many stickers does she have? She has 53. So 53 is our answer. Now let's try number 3. Asha has 17 apples. 7 of them are green and 5 are red. The rest are yellow. How many yellow apples does Asha have? Okay, she has 17 apples, right? And then 7 of them are green and 5 are red. So we have to first subtract 7 from 17, which is going to be 10. We can do this by writing it vertically. So 7 minus 7 is 0. And then the 1 comes down, so it's 10. Right? So that's 10, and then 5 of them are red. So we're gonna subtract 5 again, and it's going to be 5. Because if you say that we have 10 circles, 7, 8. Okay, we have 10, and then we subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna have 5 left. So we have 5 left, and the rest are yellow. So this number shows the rest of the apples. So 5 yellow apples. Okay. Now let's try number 4. Edward has 4 pieces of candy. Maria has 14 pieces of candy. How many more pieces of candy does Maria have than Edward? So we're going to subtract 14 minus 4. So let's write it vertically. 14 minus 4. And then that's 4 minus 4 is 0. So that's going to be 0. And then this one comes down. So it's going to be 10. So she has 10 more pieces of candy than Edward. Okay, thank you.